Welcome to the Old Dauphin Way Historic District in Midtown Mobile, Alabama. This beautifully restored home has lots of character, a built-in bench seat for the dining room here. It also has a built-in armoire off of the primary suite. All the hardwood has been refinished. These doors exit out to the huge southern front porch. The primary suite is just off of the parlor. You have an extended area here for a sitting room. It is a rare find that you find a historic home with a fortified roof, but this is it. This home has a fortified roof that was installed in 2022, along with a brand new HVAC system, a brand new tankless water heater, and all new appliances, and is already under a termite bond. Wow, what a kitchen. Beautiful crystal chandeliers with a tiled backsplash, white quartz countertops, brand new appliances, a nice eat-in kitchen area, an extended kitchen area here that you could use for a butler's pantry, an indoor laundry room with natural light. This is a rare find in Midtown. Totally renovated, a fortified roof, a brand new HVAC system, all new appliances. The beautiful hardwood was restored, fabulous chandeliers. What more could you ask for? Call today for your private showing, 251-234-9919. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I've got you covered. I list and sell homes in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call today so I can give you a free home analysis and show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home. Wow, you couldn't ask for a better yard. This home was built on 2 lots, so you have a massive backyard plus a concrete driveway, so you have plenty of parking space plus parking on the street.